Hey guys, I know I haven't done a review in a long time, but this one is an awesome one. I just got this in the mail today. It's the Play Close collaboration with G-Shock. And let's check it out. Here's the box. It's got the Play Close racing stripe down there. Here's the box. It's the DW-6900PC-4CR. Alright. Instruction manual. All that funky stuff. Leave that there. Here's the box. It's a nice tin box, just like the LRG tin box and the Undefeated box. It's got the G-Shock Play Close emblem right there. It's got the racing stripe all the way through the back. It's pretty neat. There it is. It's got the G-Shock logo, the Play Close logo. This is brand new, right out the box. Got the tag right there. It's got that pink backlight. It's a negative display. It's got that racing stripe on the back. Got the Play Close logo on the back there. It's 4-screw backing as usual for the DW-6900. You got gold accents, you got the gold plated backing, the screws, the buttons, the buckle. It's made out of the resin material. I kind of wish it was the glossy finish, but it's the resin. It's pretty sweet. All the lettering's in red, the background's in red. You got the Play Close kid right there up above the third eye. Yeah, it's a pretty neat watch. There you go, guys. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up. If not, you better get one soon. This is really, really nice watch. Love it.